So good morning, so welcome to another video. So today I've just left the hotel and I'm now on the way to Amsterdam, which is about a 20-minute walk to the train station. It's proper windy, this storm is absolutely mental, but we've got a job to do, so let's get it done. Cross the road before that green man turns red. So as I was leaving the hotel room, I got the lift. I'm on the 8th floor. I went down to 0. I got out the lift thinking I'm on 0, I'm on 5. So basically it starts on the 5th floor, someone got in, I walked out round the corner, then the lift went down, then I had to get another lift down from the 5th floor. Great start to the day, Eddie, yeah. I guess that's a house for people that like gardening. Proper windy, but I'm just approaching Hoofddorp train station. So the next stop, Amsterdam. About 23 minutes is going to take. What is it? 23? Yeah. 23. It's proper busy, and I mean busy like manic. I'm even going down the wrong escalators. You have to do what you have to do, don't you? Should not be pay. And you smell that? That's cannabis. I bet you thought I was going to say that's fresh air. Now it's fresh air. Have a quick look at the canal. Hello, duck. How you doing, duck? You go to Yorkshire and they all speak like that. I mean, I'm a duck. I'm actually a duck to a lot of Yorkshiremen. I mean, the amount of Yorkshire people that say to me, "Hey, duck," I'm like, quack, quack, quack. Why do you think I'm a duck? Anyway, stop talking rubbish. Let's just get the day rolling. Duck. Nice breeze. That train was busy, really busy, and it's quite claustrophobic, so it's nice just to get that nice little breeze. Walking like zombies, following each other. See what I mean? Like coming from the station that way on. Day of the Living Dead. I think I went down here last time, well, one of the times I've been before. I think I went down there when I was being chased that time filming the red light districts at like late at night. Actually, they better not recognise me. How romantic. Actually quite warm. Where's Dam Square? I could do with a nice cold Corona. Get a lot of like little restaurants in Amsterdam. Like different country type restaurants. That makes any sense. I meant to say international cuisine. That sounds better, doesn't it? Yeah. If you're not already, hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, comment, hit the bell for notifications. It's free.
We nearly go
Ah,
now.
let's go this way. Got all them like little boots, like slippers. Done in like garden gnome style. And it's meant to be a thing out here. Pure lust. I'd be too embarrassed to go in there. Head shop. Some people could read into that differently with it being in Amsterdam. Candy gift. That's another one people looking differently. I mean, like kids and that look at that thinking candy. Can I get some sweets, Mum? Can I get some sweets, Dad? Yeah, get them sweets and then they're off to Rocker for the next 10 hours. Only in Amsterdam, huh? Well, it is a safe city, to be fair. It's one of the easiest cities where you can just like do what you want. It's because everyone's just totally off the head stoned, so they don't give a damn what you're doing. Well, apart from the prostitutes. They give a damn. When I was walking around that night, I put the link in this video, but when I started banging on the window and everyone turned around and I'm there like with the camera out going, "Hi," and then having to do a runner. Very posh for a cafe. So there's all these little like side streets, you don't know which one to go down. I'm just going to stay this one for now. But yeah, it's busy, but I thought it'd even be busier with all the hotel prices being like 600-700 quid a night. Amsterdam has shitloads of fast food places, especially McDonald's. Like, there's more McDonald's in Amsterdam, all in an enclosed area, than what I've seen in any other city in the world from what I've been to. And I've come to the conclusion the reason why is because everyone's got the munchies. So it's a fast food place like McDonald's in Amsterdam are making an absolute fortune out of it. And all these places are making a fortune. So everyone's just off the rocker and like stoned out the head. So they just want to like get the munch and eat fast food, especially McDonald's. And here you got a McDonald's and a Burger King right next to each other. So you go to McDonald's, have a Big Mac meal, and then you go into Burger King and have a big Whopper meal. One after the other. That's what people do. Shit, just walk through a puddle. And here, there is something going on now. This might explain something. I don't know what the hell it is, but something's definitely happening. This is damn square as well. I wanted a nice quiet drink. This is where I was heading for my Corona. I ain't got a clue what this is all about. I can't speak Dutch. Everyone's got flags up. It's not Palestine flags, I can confirm that. It's a flag saying something about human liberation. Yeah, it's a big lefty show. Definitely something to do with the lefties. Definitely. What the hell? It looks like Nussa from Home Alone 2. Male version. McDonald's want enough, and Burger King, etc. You even got little like dogs and burgers, little like van just packed up, serving like hot dogs and things. That's what you call proper munchy food. It's like it's big people, not big people, fucking lefty people, but I mean like big queues. I meant like marching from. Everyone's just marching with flags up and everything. These are the buggers who's responsible for the hotel prices being expensive here and me having to stay in Hoofddorp, and now it's starting to rain. Actually, this isn't funny, it's starting to rain. I can't do it getting soaked again today. Shit, I need to get cover. If everyone else got my idea of dashing into this bar. Maybe they have, maybe I'll struggle getting somewhere to sit. I knew it was a high chance of rain today, but yeah, it is what it is. It's not what it's not. It's nowhere to sit out here. The Euro pub. Let's go and get a drink from here. Corona. Should we bathe it outside? Yeah, why not? Yeah, they're dry. Ugh, it's just underneath like a little bit of a thing. And it stopped raining now by the looks of it. Cool. Cool, it stopped raining just so I go and get a drink to get shelter from the rain. Right, we know what we do. We'll squeeze the lime into it with this one. See some Palestine flags as well. I thought it was too good to be true to be away from them sort of people, if you can call them that. Anyway, no, I'm not getting into it on it. Cheers, nothing like a Corona. Now I'm going to do some research on what the hell is going on today in Amsterdam. Get back to you. So yeah, ChatGPT, I asked them, and they're saying like loads of stuff's going on. Basically, concerts and culture, the best of Bridgerton, whatever that is. Pop concert, boo, whatever. I don't know. Basically, there is some concerts going on, like, yeah. But I still don't know what that is up there. That doesn't seem like just like a concert, you know what I mean? That seems weird. So yeah, that hotel there, that one, it's a 5-star hotel given, but how much do you reckon that is tonight? Just for tonight, let's have a look, I'll show you. It's called Antara Grand Krasnapolski Amsterdam Hotel, 787 quid, and that's a 12% off. It should be £883, that's just for one night. Amsterdam hotels are absolutely ridiculous tonight. They're cheap around the airport tonight, when I say cheap, about 120-ish. But absolutely ridiculous. I'm trying to look for others, but there's hardly any available on this site anyway. And this is trip.com, which is normally cheap. You get one here for 1.4 kilometres away from my location here, 63 quid. But it's like a hostel. Who wants to stay in a hostel? It is actually a hostel. It's called Klinkord Hostel. 63 quid to share a bunker in a room with loads of other smelly people. I mean, loads of nice people. I mean, like, let's be honest, people who stay in hostels generally are smelly out. I mean, sorry, not everybody, but you who's watching this who stays hostel, you're very clean. It's 800 metres from my location. Hotel 27 small luxury hotels in the world. £650 for the night. Absolutely crazy. Definitely crazy. Ugh. I won't pay that. So yeah, it started raining again, so unfortunately I had to go and get another Corona. I say unfortunately because I really want my plan today to get pissed in Amsterdam. So hopefully this will be the last one. 2 bottles of Corona. Squeeze that lime in. Look at that, how romantic. Did I just say how romantic? What's romantic about that? I'm losing the plot. Cheers. Alright, little booze of this. Like, you got TVs above the bar and everything. Yeah, I approve. So, dragged myself out of the bar, and now I'm at Dam Square, the monument. Let's get out of here. For windy, and you know what? I know some people have said like get yourself a mic and that lot, make the sound better. I have actually got myself one. It's meant to be on this trip. I ordered it from Amazon. It's meant to get, well, it did get delivered yesterday, but it got delivered after I already had left. Got delivered at like 10 to 8 at night. It's like sod's law that. Normally when I order from Amazon, stuff gets delivered by early afternoon. The one day I wanted it, where my flight wasn't until 5:30, it didn't come. Do you know what I mean? Typical. This is a busy street. Pizza places. Oh shit. I forgot about cycles in Amsterdam. Nearly got ran over. Speed mode activated. Pardon me. Argentina grill. Never tried an Argentine grill. Gonna have to try one day. Apparently their steaks are just like the best. This looks more like Amsterdam. How romantic. Very nice. This must be a romantic view.
Yeah.
So it's like a mass out selfie point. Everyone's just taking selfies, getting in the way and everything. But like, I can't moan too much, so I was doing the same. But mine's for a purpose, not for a photo in your living room, showing that you're in Amsterdam. So when the house guests come around, I'll be like, hey, these people are seedy. And then you're joking. You won't be seedy visiting Amsterdam, would you? Argentine, another Argentine restaurant, full of them. These cycles, I'll be honest with you, they do my absolute head in. So I don't know what road this is, but basically you got your canal there, got that little colourful boat there. And what's all that about? It's got all that, bloody hell, I nearly got ran over again. It's got all like little like flowers on the side of it and everything. Nice shop. Ah, this is where the buildings like look like they're tilting. Look like they're falling down. A little earthquake here, and they've had it. You know what I mean? By the looks of it. What's that say? Ugersburg. So you got like a church there. For you church lovers. That angers me as well when people take photos, they have to stand massively back while you take your photo. So basically you can't even walk on the path because they're taking a photo. If you're taking a photo, just get straight to the barrier, take it. Don't take it where you're like 2 meters away from the barrier. So you're actually, so then people are like, oh, I can't walk past because it's gonna, you know what I'm on about. You know, I walk past, I don't give a damn, but most people are polite and they're like, oh, he's taking a photo, let's stand still while he takes it. And then take forever to take a photo. It takes me a split second to take a photo. You just get your phone out, click, and it's done. You don't have to sort of like stand there for ages getting there. Do you know what I mean? I don't see the point in it. Cycles. Everybody like a bike. Bicycle. Yeah, that church. It's a big church. The old church. What is this? Church Street or something? They're even calling the pub now the older church. This street must be full of religious fanatics. Open. Chocolate canage. It doesn't look open. Oh yeah, that's where the door is there. I want to ride my bicycle, I want to ride it now. Around the seedy part of Amsterdam now, where you get the windows and women in the windows. I'm not going to push my luck this time, but yeah, look at the link on this video when I did push my luck. Cheese deli. The cheese lovers. I'm a cheese lover. I love cheese. It's got their own little cheese deli shop. Nice. I tell you now, that cheese was banging. That multicoloured one, it's like it had spice in it and everything. That was absolutely delicious. I would have got some. I can't be bothered carrying a big chunk of cheese around with me. I'll get some from the airport tomorrow on the way home to sell at the airport. Anyway, this is a seedy bit. I need to switch the camera off now. I mean, a lot of Amsterdam, I've already filmed. This is like probably the 4th time I've been in Amsterdam, so I have filmed all that crappy area as well. But this as well, like, they've got a lot of old buildings around. This looks like a little tiny castle. A lot of history in this city. They also have these little tiny crappy cars. So that's actually a restaurant. I thought it was like some sort of old castle. Restaurant, Den Caf in der Wag. How's that for pronunciation? These little markets seem to sell everything. Loaves of bread. I just felt a bit of rain on my head as well, so it better not start pissing it down. More cheese shops. That's what you call one massive piece of cheese. Someone just like stood there taking a photo of a bottle of milk. Whatever takes your fancy, pal. What way do I go? I don't even know where to go now. And it is starting to rain. I think the rain's answered the question. I need to look for a bar. A pub, a bar, anything that's sheltered before it starts pissing it down big time. Ooh. Don't know why that's fenced off. It wasn't last time I was here. But yeah, look at the tilt of these buildings. Absolutely, like, poof. Major tiltage. As long as they don't get the builders I've just had at my house recently, otherwise it'll fall down. But no, that is major tiltage. And that is major rain. That just felt heavy rain drop. I don't even know what's up here, but hopefully there's a bar somewhere. I mean, we are in Amsterdam, there should be hundreds of bars, not thousands. Well, maybe thousands, taking it a bit the extreme, but you get my catch. Hey, to come to Amsterdam, it's not like I planned it. I booked this months ago, so it's not like I actually thought, oh, it's going to rain today, let's go to Amsterdam. Because I'm actually getting soaked right now. But I'm not the only one. That makes me feel a little bit better. Amstel sign. Hopefully that's a bar in front. I can't be doing with getting soaked. Gone for a Corona. Looks pretty chilled out in here. Cheers. Nice. Talking about alcohol kills, that's the third Corona down. Probably have one more in Amsterdam. But no, that's all right in there until just before I left, and I realised it's a bit rough. I mean, like a customer spilt a drink on the floor. A woman came, mopped up, moaning and everything. She works there. And went to the customer and said, "You could have at least said sorry." And the customer was like, "I said it twice." No apologies or anything. It's like, you know, accidents happen. It's not like they didn't pay for the drink. Bloody hell. Great customer service. Tedders. Them dogs look awesome. Awesome person. Car, you go in the car dealership and you buy that. Really? People in Amsterdam don't even get cars, they just buy a bike and use that for the boot. Cost-saving method, I suppose. They have the head screwed on, I suppose. Ed Miliband would like them. Not intoxicating the environment. Nice. Look at that one for a bike. Yeah, someone could ride me around. I could sit in that front bit and then someone ride me about. That'd be awesome. This. I'm not even joking. As that shop says, the Jolly Joker. But no, seriously, that's just not what I'm actually showing you. I don't even know what the Jolly Joker is. In fact, it looks like a bar. Oh no, it's a coffee shop where people get stoned. And I'll show you what I mean. Look at that for a wonky building. I mean, that one there, the one that says Grolsch on the side of it, it's not only tilting forward a little bit, it's even tilting sideways. That is a messed up building. And that one I'm about to walk under now, it's actually tilting forward like it could fall on my head as I'm walking past. And that is mental. See what I mean? Don't know whether the camera actually shows it much, but yeah, that is proper got major tiltage. What is this street anyways? Oh, I don't think I've been down this street before. Look at all them for desserts, nice. In that building, even that door looks like it's tilting. Well, it is tilting. New king. There's a new king in town, aka me. That looks like a Chinese restaurant. But then it looks like people are actually... What the hell? Let's investigate. I don't think this is a restaurant. I think it's some sort of a tourist thing. Yeah. It's a tourist thing. This is a box in there saying donate. I'm not in the mood for donating at the moment. Especially something that I ain't got a clue what it is, meaning I ain't got any interest in it whatsoever. Nice bike. cash only, my type of pub. That's why it's heaving, because everyone's got the same sort of vibes as me. Prefer to pay cash rather than cards. Yeah, this is basically all what Amsterdam's about, these old buildings that have been up for forever. And the builders back in the day just didn't know how to build properly. So the slanted left, right, centre, forward, backwards. A lot of bread making places as well. I love Sejik. What's Sejik? Why is he not saying I love Eddie? Something not right there, is it? It should say I love Eddie. Another reminder, if you're watching this and you enjoy it, hit subscribe, it's free. What's that treble X sign mean? God knows. God. What does that triple X sign say? He doesn't know neither. There's another one. Another cool car. This looks a cute little bar, doesn't it? Yeah. How romantic.
Be careful here, because there's a spike, but come.
That looks ace. That looks awesome. Let's get pissed on a boat. Now we're talking, but unfortunately I'm Billy No Mates, so I don't have any mates, so I can't really get a boat on my own and get pissed. I'll look a bit daft. Molly Malone's, I guess that's an Irish bar. I've never heard one before. Might go back there for my fourth bottle of Corona. Very detailed building. The red and white. Don't know what that means, the red and white sort of like painting. But yeah, colourful building. behind me is like one of them coffee shops where people are just, I don't know why it's called on like getting stone shops instead of coffee shops, because people like me who's thick think coffee shop means serving coffee, but it's not, it's serving joints. That's the Doubletree Hotel that I stayed at before. Awesome hotel. I wanted to stay there this time, but it's coming up 1,200 for 2 nights. Absolutely ridiculous. I can't afford that. Do you know what I mean? Even if you could afford it, you wouldn't pay it. Do you know what I mean? You could go to Dominican Republic for 1,200, a 5-star hotel for 7 nights, all inclusive. That's when you look at the comparison difference. Yeah. Look at all these bicycles. The Dutch like bicycles. And some more buildings of major sort of tiltage. I'm not going to walk all the way up here because I've done it numerous times. But this street here is well known for its tiltages. And there's a building up there, it's actually getting work done to it. But I mean, just look at these ones. That little tiny house in between them 2 big ones, it looks like it's sort of like tilting sideways, you see what I mean? It's not you drunk, honestly, that is true fact. Look at that. Can you imagine that? You pay hundreds of thousands of pounds on a house and then it's tilted. And then an earthquake happens and your house is just basically gone. And that wind is major. I've just looked on the news as well, it's massive wind. It's Storm Amy, that's what it is, Storm Amy. It's battering the UK. But it's not just battering the UK, it's also battering Amsterdam, which is literally just across the water from the UK. But I don't know whether Amsterdam calls storms by names. Just while I'm up here, I'll just take you to that building up here. I mean, look at that one. Absolute manic. How tilted that one is. I actually feel scared even walking below it. Sorry about the wind. Like I say, I've got a mic that's been delivered to cover stuff like this. But yeah, look at that. That building there looks like it's proper like falling down. That bluish one there, that greyish one. Major tiltage. Anyway, let's go and get that Corona. Proper slanted. And it's too busy in there. Take ages to get served. So yeah, we'll look for somewhere else. I decided to go back to the train station. I've still got another video to start later, so this isn't the train station. This is a shop. Hang on a second, they're going in there. Am I missing out on something? I thought that was a train station. I mean, a bike. I thought it was a train station. I went in, there's loads of bikes. Bloody hell, it looks like when you get off at the station you can rent like shitloads of bikes. This is mental. Anyway, I think I'm at the train station. I've never gone in this entrance before. For once I'm being a lemon and following. The amount of bikes here, bloody hell. It's like a bike warehouse. Okay, this isn't the station. I've literally gone into a flipping bike warehouse. This has nothing to do with the train station. They're basically getting biked. Can't believe that. So I'm in a bike station basically. Bike station. Totally lost. I was following them thinking they were going to the train station, but they weren't. They were just basically collecting a bike. So this is where people like come to Amsterdam and park the bikes. So yeah, literally a bike station. Let's get out of here. And I've come out of there and the sun's come out. Shame I couldn't get a hotel in Amsterdam. I would have loved it. I really wanted to stay. I know I keep going on about it, but yeah, I had plans. I was going to do pub crawls and everything. But it's what it is, as I keep saying. We'll go to Hoofddorp. I've got plans for there as well. But yeah, that's it. They're going to a flipping bike station. Now let's have a look for the train station. This is the train station.
Door werkzaamheden rijden de bussen tussen Sertogenbos en Boksel en rijden de bussen tussen Sertogenbos.
I don't know whether this is section I need to be in now. I did this last time and I just totally got lost. It's basically Amsterdam station. It's got like loads of different sections.
Met de mogelijke drukte bij de bussen kunt u uw reis ook via Rotterdam Zee plannen.
As you can see. And this isn't the one I need to be on. Surprise, surprise. So yeah, gonna have to go out again. They won't charge me. They better not do anyway, but I'm pretty sure it won't, because they know that you haven't left the station. I hope. UK terminal. Ah, this is where you get trains to London and that lot. This is interesting. So this is like, you can actually get a train from Amsterdam to London. It'll be via Channel Tunnel. I'll have to do that at some point. That would be awesome. I'm actually definitely going to do that. I'm not just saying it. I didn't even know about that. I mean, it's common sense. I should have knew about it, but I didn't. So yeah, I'm definitely going to do that. But anyway, let's just try and get the hell out of here. Second time lucky. Well, third time lucky if you include that bike station, which totally went wrong. Now what we're looking for now is Schiphol Airport. You don't look for Hoofddorp, you look for Schiphol. If ever you're staying in Hoofddorp and you want to get back from Amsterdam, yeah, look for the train that says Schiphol. Oh no you don't, actually you look for the train that says Hoofddorp. As if I didn't know that, and I've got 4 minutes to go as well. That's actually quite handy, that. I thought in my head I'd have to get off at Schiphol and then get a separate train, but no, I was proven wrong. It takes you straight to Hoofddorp. Via Schiphol. And I should just make it, even though the train's there in Holland, literally you can get right to the door, and if you've missed it, you've missed it, they won't let you on. So even though I'm in like reaching distance of it, I could still miss it, as these guys know. Good timing, if I do say so myself. What I expect to be a full-on trip. Goodbye, Amsterdam. And just like that, I've returned at Hoofddorp, back at Hoofddorp. So, you thought I forgot, didn't you? But I don't forget anything. So, channel shout-outs. Here's Nick Barker, David's Videos, Simon Davey, Cameron Grant, Raymond Patterson, Stuart, Kevin and Mags. Like I said before, the shout-outs membership was so I could keep track of it, because it's getting silly before, where people are asking for shout-outs and I was forgetting and things like that. So now I can keep track of it in channel memberships. So I appreciate you all. I appreciate everybody who watches these videos, and I appreciate every single subscriber massively, more than what you could ever imagine, because it means the world for me, for you lots to subscribe and help me in my YouTube journey. But on that note, the Amsterdam video is now over. I'm now going to start a brand new video of Hoofddorp, however you pronounce it, and a hotel. But we'll also see what Hoofddorp is all about as well. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.